I want you to just go out there, dream big, and be somebody that maybe you never dreamt that you could be. I like to say it doesn't matter where you're at, where you came from. What matters is where you want to go and the hard work you're willing to put in to get there.
This opportunity gives students to understand exactly what we do. We have a lot of hands-on activities. We find that students learn much better when they're actually breaking a flange and using a tool and understanding how a torque wrench works. And so all those activities are to help them understand process technology and what we do here at San Jacinto College.
Stephanie, we are so thankful for this opportunity. We cannot wait to see what else you are going to come up with. Even today, they've already been asking, like, how do I get in this job? And they've found things that they have enjoyed just doing a little bit of. And so it's really exciting to see their eyes open up and the excitement that they have to do something that they never even knew was imaginable.
My biggest takeaway, especially from today, is like it really opened my eyes for new options for what I want to do in the future, because I've been very not sure about what I want to do for college and what I want to major in, and this really opened my eyes and has made me thinking about doing something like this for my future.
I would just like to say that thank you for bringing us this opportunity. We're a very small school, small town. We don't get a lot of opportunities, so this was a great program to experience, especially because we're not in a P-Tech program with the college or anything. So just having this opportunity was a good opportunity, especially for us for our senior year. It was good to open our minds up to another career that we could possibly do.
Stephanie, keep doing a fantastic job. 100% support everything you do, not only myself personally, but San Jacinto College. We think you're doing phenomenal work. And I just hope whatever we can do to help you continue to accomplish your goals, that you know that we're here for you. I can't speak enough about what you're doing and how that impacts and changes these young ladies' lives.
If we hold